Here's our bear specimen. It's a relatively small bear. We've got it on one of the tables in the lab. You can see about how much of the length it takes up. It's quite likely this year's cub. This was late September. It's got metal seal in the nose. This was transferred to me by an environmental police officer, and we put the seal in so I can legally possess it. My salvage permit that I get from the state allows me to salvage a lot of things, but not bears, moose, or deer. For those I have to, if I get those, they have to come from an environmental police officer or from Mass Fish and Wildlife, and I have to have a seal or a permit specific for that animal, allowing me to handle it. This one, like I said, was hit by a car around Look Park in Northampton. So as we look at it, we're going to examine it for some external injuries. By the time it got to me, it was pretty warm and it was starting to bloat. So I had cut a little hole in the abdomen to let out some of the gas. That's what that hole is. And I'm hoping that the time in the freezer has allowed that situation to stabilize and it's not incredibly overpowering when I do actually open it up. But it's a female, and hopefully we'll be able to find her reproductive tract. And even though it is a young bear, it won't be that much smaller than it would be in an adult bear. I'm looking at the external characteristics of the bear. No severe injuries, broken bones, things like that, although we'll get a look once we get it open. So I'm going to stop this video and get into the bear a little bit.